Okay, so let's create a design as shown in photo. So let's first create a subdivision cylinder, and then we are going to specify height almost about 35. Now go to front view, and you need to select a subdivision selection option to select the face and select it and delete the top face and bottom face. So make it shaded and you can see this cylinder. Now you need to create a UV curve to get the size for that particular rectangle portion. You will get this UV curve in rectangle shape here. Now we need to define our uh, shape, means which design we are going to specify here. So let's first create plane. Okay, now need to create a rebuild option to need to specify UV curve, means we need to add more curves for more smoother surface modeling option to make more uh, you know uh, beautiful curvature on surface. So that's why we are adding more points using rebuild. Now turn on the points on of the surface. See, we have two surfaces overlapping here, so select the another one, and now type in rebuild, and now add one. Okay, add on the points, and now type in points on command. So you can see the points available here. Now need to define 4 points for modification of the all the surface. So we will add 4 points at the middle of the surface, means for middle surface is creation curve. We will add midpoints there. Now select those points. See, you need to understand subdivision selection method. So for right now, we need to use this normal method for selecting points. So that's why we have used the OSnap option. Now offset them. Don't create another copy of the points. Move original points with the specific distance of 3.5. Okay, now let's select the surface which we have modified. Now turn on the points of the surfaces. Now type in command select point. Okay, select point will select all the points with bottom including bottom 4 points. So type in select point shortcut. Now deselect the 4 points and then enter. Sorry, type in soft move command. Now select the points method. Here the points method is available here. Now select these 4 points, then enter. It will automatically show this circle for radius. Now it is asking for the height. Now you can change it after clicking and set it according to your desired shape. So you can change the height and the curvature of the surface. You can see it in result. See, you can change all those points for modification. See, okay, now set it as per your requirement, then make it done. Okay, turn off the points. Now we need to use flow along surface option to apply this surface to original face. Okay, we need to select the base selection. You can follow the instructions from command prompt, command panel. Okay, it is going opposite side. Now deselect it, undo. Okay, I need to match this corner to corner for perfection. Okay, let's move this corner to this end. Select the surface, go to flow along surface. Now select the upper side of the surface and then apply it here. So make sure the ends are joining to these ends perfectly. Okay, so this is fine. Now select this surface and go to top view and type in array polar. Specify 0 enter as a center, then type in 8 as a number of items and array it for 360-degree. Now only keep those objects which are required. Okay, so we don't need internal cylinder for right now. So let's select the, it is subdivision object, so select this option, select SubD. Now move it to the another layer, so we don't need to delete it because we can use it in future, so we can turn this layer on and we can get it back. Now select these surfaces, these all the surfaces. uh, okay, see, I think it's we have created using normal surface, plain, normal plane, so we can directly select them. And to make it in single, click on the join option, so it will become single object. Now we need to apply array linear, means in a linear way we need to create multiple patterns, so that is a command array linear. Okay, number of items you need to define. Now typing, click on reference point, and this is the second reference. Okay, so make sure you are clicking at perfect point. Okay, so then after, go to front view and select all of them. Now type in join. Okay, so see, still I think they are, well, there are multiple copies are there, but let's, now we are going to use cage edit option for this entire object. Okay, see, it's not allowed to click. Okay, you need to understand the difference of subdivision selection option and polysurface selection option. Now I have selected this surface, these are the control points, we don't need them, we need to create cage. So select the surface, cage edit, then enter. You need a bounding box, then if you want to change the x, y and z count points, click there and specify the points. Now select the points you required. Okay, this is the scaling option. Okay, this is for the upper portion shape editing. Now drag it little bit downside. You can also adjust your height of your object. Now drag it little bit inside. We need a base planer to sit on a flat surface, so we'll keep this little bit broader. Okay, now you can adjust this shape here. Okay, this is the scaling option. This means gumball, it is available in gumball, so you can apply it. Okay, you can also drag it down, up, as per your desired shape, as per your requirement. You can adjust it accordingly. Now go to perspective and check it. Oops, we did not clicked shift for all the side scaling, so let's make it undo. Now go to front view again. This time we need to keep pressing shift key for scaling in all the directions. By default, means by mistake I did not clicked I did not press shift button. Okay, so you need to keep pressing your shift key, so it will work in all the directions, so it will keep circular shape. Okay, in linear we don't need to keep pressing shift key. For the scaling it is required, not for the linear translation. Now it's required pressing shift key. Now select the second last row for broader cross section. See, this object can be created with the multiple methods, but this is a good and easy method. Subdivision is a very wonderful option of the Rhino software. Okay, this way we can create a good object. If you want to check proper result, go to render visualize setting, and now apply something good material on the surface. So we can also control using the layer material option. So let's go to layer material. Okay, so here is the active layer, and this is the colors and material settings. So it's not visible properly, so you can also change material type which can reflect the material. So metal is the good reflection for the material. Okay, this is also looking good. You can check the curvature of the surface. Okay, let's change it to some another material. Okay, so this is having good clarity and reflectivity. Okay. Okay, now rotate and check the output module. Okay, thank you.